In this video, I will tell you how to connect and install an HP printer on Windows, and honestly, the whole process is much easier than most people think. First, open the Windows search bar and type printers and scanners, then open that settings page. Before adding the printer, make sure your HP printer is fully turned on and properly configured physically. This is very important. Your printer either needs to be connected to your computer with a USB cable or connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your PC or laptop. Once everything is connected correctly, click Add Device. Windows should automatically search for nearby printers, and your HP printer should appear on the list after a few seconds. Simply click on it and Windows will automatically install the required drivers and finish the setup for you. If your printer does not appear there like mine did, click Add a New Device manually. Then choose the second option from the bottom exactly like I show in the video and click Next. In many cases, your HP printer will appear there instead and you can continue the installation normally. If the printer still does not show up using either method, it usually means one of three things. Either the printer is not connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, the USB cable is not connected correctly, or the physical setup process on the printer itself was not completed before trying to add it in Windows. Once everything is configured properly, Windows should detect the printer without major issues. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.